everyone, this is Miki, and today we are making Argentinian style poke bowl. To make our bowl, we will require meat, a highly important ingredient in Argentine cuisine, lettuce, tomato, corn, rice, and of course we cannot exclude the essential chimichurri sauce, which will provide the distinct Argentine flavor to the dish. Let's start with the chimichurri sauce. It's the soul of our dish. We'll need parsley, oregano, ground chili, oil, vinegar, and a little bit of salt. Mix it all up really well. Now let's chop our ingredients, cut the beef into small strips. Slice the tomato and add corn and leafy greens to give it a fresh touch. Now it is time for the fun part, as we start assembling our delicious poke bowl. We will begin by layering the rice as a base, and then artfully arrange our carefully chopped ingredients, creating a visually stunning and irresistibly appetizing composition. The final touch, the chimichurri sauce. Sprinkle it gently over our bowl, making sure that each piece is infused with the flavors of Argentina. And there you have it. Our Argentine-style poke bowl is ready. This is not just a dish, it's a journey to my homeland through flavor and aroma. Give it a try and I'm sure you'll love it. Don't forget to check out my page for more tips on living your best life. See you next time.